Welcome to this AgDrive video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how the offline job recording mode works in AgDrive. As you can see on screen, we are currently in the offline job recording mode. This is because we are in very poor signal or we've got no signal whatsoever. The phone will automatically detect whether we should go into offline job recording mode or not. This means that we can still record our jobs in AgDrive. However, we will have to record a lot of the information in terms of the customer, the operation, and all the other job information at a later time when we come back into Signal. And as a manager, you won't be able to see any of the active jobs that are happening currently at the moment because we're in no signal whatsoever. So if we were to start recording a job as we are now, you can also start jobs from the scheduled job list as well when you're in the offline job recording mode. It's going to say that we are recording a offline job, as we don't have any information on what the operation is, who the customer we are actually recording the job for, so therefore it's classed as an offline job. So we can just press start work from here. And again, it's recording our live location of where we are at the moment. As you can see, in offline mode, it's still recording our live location as to where we are in the world. This is because even with no signal, your phone still gives off a GPRS signal. So we can still record the actual live location of each operator, although we won't be able to see this in the active job section if you were in Signal yourself. So like recording a normal job, all you have to do is just leave this job running in the background and we will complete the job once we come back into Signal. So we've now finished recording our job, so we can just press finish work. And now this job will be sat in the active jobs section. Then when we come back into Signal, we can then click on the job, then upload, and press upload job, where we can just select our customer. We can then select our operation as to what we were doing. Again, using the search bar to search for the correct operation. We can then put in what vehicle or implement we were using. And do our checks. We can also add in any fields that we were working in. Then we can put in the billing information as to how many bales we've done. Any extra information in here as well. Again, like we would do on a normal job. And then we can also put in our fuel usage down. And then again, we can also, like a normal job recording, we can edit any of the time details or any of the dates on here as well. And we can also put in our travel time, break time, downtime, and we can also write in any notes and photographs onto that particular job. And again, like a normal job, you can part complete a job and then come back to it the following day and resume it, or even later on in that day as well. So if we're happy with these job details from our offline job, we can just press complete. And again, that job is now completed. We can then edit any of the details again from the top right hand corner and pressing save. Or we can approve this job for invoicing if you're a manager. And this job would then be go into our completed job section. And any managers would get a push notification to say that that job has been completed. And again, this is just another example of a completed job in AgDrive, as you can see here. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions or queries about the working offline mode in AgDrive, I'll leave our contact details in the description below. Thank you very much for watching.